Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over question 5.2.2, which is number 3 in the 5.2 homework for fall 2023. It reads, based on a survey, assume that 29% of consumers are comfortable with having drones deliver their purchases. Suppose that we want to find the probability that when 5 consumers are randomly selected, exactly 3 of them are comfortable with delivery by drones. Identify the values of N, X, P, and Q. So as we read this problem, we're going to go through and identify the numbers. Based on a survey, we're assuming that 29% of consumers are comfortable having drones. This number is either going to represent N, X, P, or Q. Since it is a percentage, we know that it's probably going to be our probability, right? 29% of consumers are comfortable having drones deliver their purchases. 29% or 0.29, we could consider that our probability of success. Probability of success would be comfort, or P. Our probability of failure is Q. We know that the probability of success plus the probability of failure, when you add them together, you get 1. So to get our Q value, we can say 1 minus 0.29 or 0.71. So we have our probability of success, P is 0.29. Our probability of failure, Q, is 0.71. And together they're complements. Note that 0.29 or 29% is given to us in the problem. We had to calculate Q. Suppose we want to find the probability that when 5 consumers are randomly selected, exactly 3 of them are comfortable with delivery by drones. So we have to identify N, which is like our total number of subjects, and then X, the exact number of successes we're looking for. Our total number of subjects would be 5. So N equals 5. And our X in this problem, so the last number left, is 3. X will never be greater than N, but it could be equal to N in a problem. In this case, it's less than. So N equals 5, X equals 3, P equals 0.29, and Q equals 0.71. No other calculations were needed for this problem, so this is really all that you had to do. If you're still having trouble with it, I really recommend that you use your guided notes that you already filled out as a reminder, or use it as a model when you see similar problems, because these are the kind of things that we did talk about in our lectures. Let me know if you have any more questions. Have a good night.